Good morning. This is December 17th. This is just pre FOMC meeting. All the other central banks are meeting this week. The big feature is going to be the bonds. Let's see here if I can get to the right. The bonds are coming down to the Yellen pivot. This is when they went to T-bill funding last April, May. We had the huge rally in the stocks and a huge rally in the bonds. Now that has since faded. I have a couple other bond charts that are of interest. This is a long-term point and figure. And I'm not looking for us to hold this low. It can certainly bounce a little bit out of here, but that's not the feature. Let me see. All right. Here we are with the yield, okay? So you can see this is a life of 30-year yield chart, but that's not the one that you want to follow. Hold on, let me just bring that up a second. This is the 30-year pit futures, okay? And this is a U.S. session chart only. Okay, it's not the minis because the minis don't go back far enough. They only go back to 98. So you're missing all this data. So make sure you're looking at the right charts, because the wrong charts, the short-term data, the 10-year stuff that everybody tries to sell you is not any good for doing any type of analysis. I would imagine that we're going to come back down here into the 108 handle. And then I think eventually you're going to see parity down in here in the bonds, which comes closer to, the full move is back to in the 7% in the 30-year yield. So in the meantime, we're in the rollover, and you really have to know what you're trading and what chart you're looking at. So a lot of this is interest rate driven. You can see that a lot of the emerging market currencies are trading with the 30-year bond. The higher the yields go here, the tougher it is for them overseas, and their currencies weaken against the dollar. That's it for this morning. If you'd like to join us, come to whitewavetradingstrategies.com and sign up for